Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage travel language skills with Airbnb, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively manage your travel language skills while using Airbnb, start by familiarizing yourself with the local language. Research the primary language spoken in your destination. Use language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel to practice essential phrases. Focus on key vocabulary that will help you navigate your stay, such as greetings, directions, and food-related terms. Before booking, check if your host is comfortable communicating in English or your preferred language. Review the Airbnb listing for any language preferences mentioned by the host. Prepare a list of common questions you may want to ask your host. Use translation apps like Google Translate to assist in real-time conversations. Practice these questions with a friend or language partner to build confidence. After booking, reach out to your host with a friendly message in their language. This shows respect for their culture and can enhance your communication. If you're unsure about your language skills, consider asking for assistance from someone fluent. During your stay, immerse yourself in the local language as much as possible. Label items in your accommodation with their names in the local language for better retention. Keep a small notebook to jot down unfamiliar words or phrases you encounter. Engage with locals to practice speaking and improve your language skills. Visit local markets, cafes, or events to deepen your cultural immersion. If you face language barriers, remain patient and polite. Body language can help bridge gaps. Take advantage of language exchange opportunities in your area. After your trip, reflect on what worked well and what you can improve for future travels. This will help you grow your language skills over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.